Yes, I just stopped by at Fahim to check on the job and want you to get an idea of how the job site looks like. I have Roberto coming here after Jin Kim. He can put the shelves on and lazy Susan, and we need to take a cabinet down in laundry room. So it's just for you guys to see what's up here. We have our cart that we can take back. Here's our molding and fillers, and get a cart full of shelves, lazy Susan, so Roberto can do the toe kick skin. The doors on the islands are not adjusted, all the touch latches. Lazy Susan needs to go in. I have fillers over there and panels. You can put those up in here. They're still looking for hardware. Actually, Fahim said they haven't even shopped yet. So I did talk to him to make sure they can work on that. So Roberto has like the rest of the day here after Gen Cam to put all those bits and pieces up. That's where we have all of our parts. Going to master. I did put those doors up, they were all open. This is the laundry room. They want us to take that cabinet down. I took the door off, but you need 2 people to get it down. Looks like there's some AC line or something they're trying to run or fix in the back. I couldn't find this door. This one's complete. This is it. This is Mr. Fahim's project. And they have all their appliances in the garage. You can put the valance too above the window. I'll talk to Roberto.